Hello guys, this is Ivan and this is Sunday, and I just want to make a quick video to show you how, even if you want to trade on Sundays using my strategies, indicators, expert advisors, you see you can make money also on Sunday. Here we have a trade with Bitcoin and some other this is other crypto, and you see we are in the money 2000 and something, so it is possible. Why not? If you have a broker with crypto, you can trade it. This is possible. Also, you see trading reactor scalper with Bitcoin, we are in the money. So the trading with Ethereum on trend lock system. So I will not go far away. We are not in the money at the moment, but guys, you see the trend, ultra fast scalper is this. The trend is 78-80%. We are just have to wait here, be patient, and we'll be in the money for sure. This previous, it is from last week, because it is not finished, because you see it is not, the markets, regular markets like USA, London and Asian are closed, so we are only trading on the crypto market. So why I'm showing all this to you? Because still last day today, and it started on Friday, we have double promo offer. I put it in my two previous videos. You can go back, or you see it is ultra double week promo offers. So if you use this promo on Saturday, you can get any expert advisor for 89, or indicator, or any product, or even better, any two 129. But this was on Friday. Also forget this was on Saturday. Thank you all of you which have used it. As again, there are people which want this price from Friday and still didn't contact or pay or anything. Pretenders. They don't have money and they don't want to say, Ivan, please, can you give me better price or anything? But they are talking about problems with blah blah blah. But doesn't matter. And today is the last day, Sunday of promo. But today any expert advisor, indicator or anything is 109. It is still huge promo offer. It is 70-80%, or any two product 149. But as I always saying to you, if you need free products, any free of your choice or something, ask me, request, I will give you super special offer. So it is valid this weekend. More info please find here, in which you will see how E-SCALPER is trading and many other things. So just go to my FOREX-PROTOOLS YouTube channel and watch more detailedly. So this is still in action. If you want it, contact me. I'm here. Today is Sunday. Okay, I'm not here every minute, but you will not wait more than 1 or 2 hours to get the product or to reply to you. I'm always try to reply in few hours max, not in few days, but in few hours max. So this trade is still in action. Let's follow this trade with Bitcoin until the end. this is ultra fast scalper. We have a very good trend strength, 80 plus, so it is just question of time when it will be in the money, not if. There is no if, just when. Also this, we have a trade with Bitcoin, another one, and it won few in a row before. So guys, I will not keep you maybe too much here. I just want to show you that it will be in the money. So I will pause the video for max 5 minutes, and then we'll see that it will be in the money. Until we are waiting, the E-SCALPER expert advisor has opened the trade. So let's see what will be with this. You see we have 77% up. So probably this also will be in the money soon. Okay, it is Sunday, there is no such a volatility as during the normal regular sessions, but you see you can trade if you want with crypto. As I forgot to say, you will get all the settings, ready templates to use with settings for Bitcoin, for gold, and for other regular pairs. What also I want to say, it is always good to have low spreaded broker, because not only for my scalping systems, for every scalping method, manually indicators, extra advisors, it is good to have low spreaded broker, because in scalping we are trading to make 5-10 pips, not more, but many times in a day. But we are trading at least with these methods on 1 minute or this on 5 minutes. We'll make minimum 10 trades or 20 trades even per day. So 5 pips, 10 pips, 20 times a day, here it is few hundred pips a day. And if you use a higher lot size, you can make a lot of money in this scalping. Please go to my YouTube for previous videos about all these scalping expert advisors in live trading. You see here we are already in the money. Even we can close it 200. I will close it. We make 200, and this is all. So this promo, you see, I showed, it is a great, let's say, great possibility. Also this trade, ultra fast scalper, finished in the money, and this is in live. You see, even here we can close it and make, I don't know, $40. I don't want to bother you too much. So automatically, you see, we have another trade here, and also I guarantee it will finish in the money, because we have even 82%. So now it is just a question of time, when, not if, when we'll make this money. We can wait maybe something. Yes, it is close. We need, as I said, 5 pips up, 10 pips. Here we have $500 if it reach this. So you see, we made money, few $100, and it is already in the money. We made $200, or here, so, or here, you see, my private strategy, which is fantastic. If you will buy 2 products for a special price, I warmly and recommend to buy this strategy. This is where you learn to trade, and after you learn it, it is easy to learn. You will make money every day with this. You see, this is on 1 hour. You can trade on all time frames. $900 for now. On other crypto, we are in 100. So you have a great choice to choose 1 or 2 at today promo, as I noticed in the beginning of the video. So you can really save. For example, it is one of the most wanted. You see, 789 is this one, and you can get today for 109. If you buy any 2, 149. So guys, you see, we in meantime made another $100 here, 40. So guys, this is just a quick let's say a review of Sunday. So you see here that we can really trade on Sundays too. Also here we made money, E-SCALPER, so you can use it. You see, it is again trading because the trend is very strong. So again, it is only a question how much we'll make. Sometimes break even only, sometimes less. So you can get it, any of them, for 109. Today only 1, but you can get 2 for 149, for example. About 2, I think about, maybe you like not only Omega Turbo Expert Advisor, you want both Expert Advisor and indicators. So both 149, 109. You see how much you can save here. For example, just, and also in previous video you can see detailing how to use Omega. So 109 for this, or for both indicator and expert advisor, 149. So guys, it would be all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.